This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for September 25th, 2023. It's currently July 17th, 2023, 6:36 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file for the 25th of September's reading was created on July 7th, 2023 at 2:37 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a cross-reading congruency for the devil card. So there's a really significant fake-out, shake-out, some sort of tricky, intentional, tricky chart behavior here first thing in the morning with these cross-reading congruencies and these orange correlations. It's a cross-reading congruency. We had a sneak preview card of the devil card here. And my sense is that we probably have a pretty big move to the downside. We have a decline in the pre-market that increases with momentum moving forward into a period of sideways rotation right around the open and a sharp drop within that period of sideways rotation. That sharp drop is probably the fake out, taking us to a low for the day. And then there's a lot of price movement around that low, probably moving to the upside with like a pop and drop between 10 and 11, and then a big move off of a trough around like 11:10. A big move off of a trough to the upside to a high for the day that takes place probably around noon time. So in the midst of that decline, you could to a low, you could open up a long position and then close that long position. If you wanted to like close it and not stress out at all, you could close it at like in that pop and drop that takes place somewhere around 10 to 11, probably closer to 11. If you miss that opportunity to close the long position, there'll be another run around midday at a high. But there's a lot of tricky behavior going on, and a reversal around the high midday. There's like a breakout, and it's probably a fake out, like it's a temporary breakout because we have a reversal after the high. And a lot of price change covered here with the Ace of Discs, or cross-reading correlations, I should say, with the Virtue card and the Ruin card. So probably decline and sideways behavior around the support level after a decline here. See, we have the Virtue card here actually. So back and forth behavior along support and an important trough and cash out opportunity if you were to open up a short position here around noon at a high, or around 11 at a high, or around noon at a high. Either way, if you open up a short position, you can close that short position after a sharp drop there between 1 and 2 to a period of sideways rotation back and forth through the same price level around 2 to 3 o'clock before a big move to the upside to a high again that takes place around the close when bumping along resistance. Even though we have the cruelty card, my sense is that we probably open higher on the 26th at a key resistance in the pre-market tomorrow. That's the S&P 500 for September 25th, 2023. Don't forget to hit that like button, and as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma, my friends. Super important. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you're donating 5% from the profits that you make on this information. Donate it forward to one of these charities here, one of these click here links, and 5% of the profits back to the channel here. Thank you very much to all my angel investors following these rules of karma. Make sure to spend that 90% left over out of love. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.